To add sensor up in quick settings developer tiles in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe down notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find developer options, and then tap developer options. Scroll down developer options screen and then tap quick settings developer tiles. To add sensor up, tap switch until blue, or to remove, tap switch until white. Swipe screen on the swipe notification panel, swipe the notification panel to check. Then if sensor of switch is blue, you can see sensor of icon in quick settings. And if switch is white, sensor of was hit from quick settings. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.